Alright. So we have returned to Ebenezer Cemetery in search of the ghost dog. There is Mama. Mama! We brought Mama along. There's Lisa. I don't blind her to death.
Y'all done the intro?
We're not doing an intro. We're just going with it.
A what?
We're just going with it. We're not doing an intro. You can do one if you want. Better light this time. So whereabouts was that guy we saw in the woods? Or see if we can't. If he's not out here tonight.
There's no whippoorwills.
That's true. No whippoorwills.
There's a baby's grave.
Mm-hmm. What area was he in? So I scanned the woods last time about this area.
You let him know it's cold tonight.
Huh?
You let him know it's cold tonight.
No, it's a lot colder than it was the other night.
Yeah, the other night I was out here in shorts.
Yeah, it's a lot colder tonight.
We're going to go get another one of them.
Well, at least they got flowers. Little wildflowers.
It's still pretty.
I know, it's pretty.
I don't think they were bloomed when we were here last time.
Alright. Okay, that's it right there. So that's been debunked because I'm looking right at it. You see, like straight ahead, there's where.
It doesn't look like it's reaching down like it was, does it?
Right there. No, it doesn't look like the picture. If you were scanning it like this, you came across it real fast and then back. Like scan your camera, see, now scanning that middle section right there. Boom, now go back, right there, stop. That's where it would have been right there.
Well, does it look the same?
It's just a stick. That's the way it looks the same, but it's not what we thought it was. That's been debunked. That is not, wasn't a spirit. See, we debunk our own stuff.
Was that there the last time?
What?
I'm shooting back here.
I don't know, from this angle it just looked like a hooded thing, but I guess it's like a person with a cloak, like the Grim Reaper.
Where?
Right there. That's what it looks like from this angle. If you're standing right here.
Oh, yes, that was here last time. Guess she's talking about that right there. We'll catch it from an angle. Looks like the Grim Reaper or whatever. Someone in a cloak.
There's something out here. You hear me?
What?
There's something out here.
Animal?
Nope, not an animal.
I'll take off in the woods now. Mama out in the woods, pretty much.
A lot of them don't have names on them.
Oh,
Those are so old.
They're so old.
This cemetery's from like the 1700s. There's that stone right there. Tells you about the church that used to be here and everything.
Huh?
That stone right there. It's the one that tells you about the church that used to be here and everything.
Little deal, isn't it?
Here,
I'm not sure.
take that.
Which way to
Take
go?
it out of the car.
I'm about to sneeze. It feels like, guys. If I do, I apologize. What? It's unlocked. I think my sneeze is gone. I think we're safe.
You think who's what?
I had a sneeze, but it went away. So we're good. You didn't get the headphones? Are you wanting to do that?
Y'all turn around here and say hey to these people.
Hi!
South Cack Lisa and South Cack Dustin. I like the ones covered with moss.
Yeah.
It's pretty.
Oh, that's awesome.
Oh, cool. You can get down there to it.
Shine your light down here, sort of. Maybe it'll pick it up better. Oh, down here where mine's at.
Bring this.
Oh, jeez.
What is that?
So,
It's a ghost meter.
Okay.
Let's see who it works.
well, they're down that way.
We need to climb out here and clean this up one time.
So,
Because it don't look like nobody else does.
I think they do. Do a good job.
Huh?
I think they do a good job maintaining. Yeah, I think. As long as the cemetery's been here and the tower's been here, it's already grown up and you wouldn't be able to see it.
Well, that's true. But it ain't. It ain't summertime, yeah. I feel like, oh, it's up in the summertime. Has these been knocked off? Was they, or was it a fence, or?
It could have been some.
might have been.
Oh, well, these got flowers planted on theirs, and the little baby. You can't see him, man.
Go back. I'll get the headphone.
Okay.
I don't do up the dance.
You can get them for them. They kill me. Get off of them.
You gonna go get the headphones?
Now we're gonna do a spirit box.
We're gonna do the Estes method, or I think I said that right. I might not have.
D. You don't.
I know I'm quieter than I normally am, guys, but I'm just trying to listen, especially with all the stuff that was going on when we were here the last time. Just trying to check it out and get a better feel for this area. Alright. I'm gonna give y'all back to Dustin and I'm gonna put the headphones on
Alright, so we already told him what we're gonna do.
a little bit. Tell them we're gonna do the Estes method.
Estes method.
I don't know how to say it.
I think that's Estes method. We're gonna try that out. So she'll put the headphones on, and then me and Mama will ask her questions.
I don't know if I can put the headphones on my phone. I don't think I have a jack. Maybe we should have got Bluetooth.
Well, we didn't.
I don't have a jack.
We just grabbed a cheap pair. Alright, so we're gonna switch real quick.
There's that. Oh gosh. I got it. Don't go running away.
There's Mama. Her channel will be in the description below. Y'all go show her some love. That's me, Mommy.
Which one's right and which one's left? No, it doesn't matter. It's not, maybe. Okay. Hey. Are you ready?
Yeah, you can turn away from me.
Okay.
I'd rather we go up there where Mama is.
What?
I'd rather we go up there where Mama is.
Okay.
Just in case something happens, because she's way up there.
Hey, one plus to these headphones, they keep my ears warm.
Yeah, that's cheating. My hands are shaking. I should have put this on. Instead of carrying it around.
My dang nose is running.
I wonder if we don't catch old Happy Dog tonight.
You don't catch me tripping.
Mama don't know what's going on. She's over there doing her thing. A lot creepier when the moon was full the other night. But round two.
Babies that was born and what thing?
The Estes method.
I don't know what you're.
Where she's gonna be listening to the necrophonic in her ear, and we're gonna ask questions to the
I'm
spirits.
gonna be facing away from y'all, and y'all ask questions, and whatever I hear come through, I just say it.
Oh, okay.
She can't hear us, but she'll hear
Wait a minute, let me.
answers.
Okay. Whenever y'all ready, we'll do it.
You wanna do it here, or you wanna get out?
I don't want you to get in the middle of the cemetery. I mean, that part.
How do you say the middle? There's.
It's on this side, and it's more in the corner.
Dustin, what keep going?
See where I'm going? Calm down.
Don't want you falling over. They probably wouldn't appreciate you laying on it.
I'm holding a flashlight. I can see the moon in back.
So
So I tell you not to.
we're out of the leaves here, so I think this will be better.
I'm gonna put you back to the woods.
Huh?
Alright, go ahead. Alright, you want to ask her a question?
What am I gonna ask her?
Oh,
Where's the ghost
You're not
dog?
asking her, you're asking the spirits, I mean.
Where's the ghost dog?
A girl?
Is there a girl with us?
Where at?
Yes, where at? Where is the girl? Is she close by?
Inside the woods.
By the woods?
Inside the woods.
Inside the woods? I hope y'all can hear
Ask
her.
her if that's who y'all saw the last time you was out here in the woods.
Does the girl in the woods have a baby?
No.
No.
Yes.
Which one is it? Yes or no? Does the girl in the woods have a baby?
It's dead.
It's dead? Is it buried out here?
Yes.
You see that? She's responding to everything.
Something is.
Pickle?
Nickel.
I thought she said pickles.
Pickle?
Dustin.
Dustin. So you know my name? Oh, you're reading my name tag. I'm wearing my work coat.
Hello.
Hey,
Hello.
how are you? What is your name? Can you tell me your name?
Gracie.
Gracie.
Bert.
Bert?
Bert? Which one is Bert? All right, is there... Bert, where are you at?
Barking.
Barking?
Dog.
You hear a dog barking?
I heard the dog. I heard barking.
I heard barking too.
Man
Man, where? Where's the man?
is near the edge.
The edge of the woods?
I keep hearing something back here, Dustin. And then my light don't go that far.
Which edge of the woods are we looking at? In front of us or behind us?
Stop it.
Stop what?
Dustin.
What? You want me to stop? What am I doing?
Help me dead.
Help you dead? How can I help you? Shh.
Back up. Listen.
Okay, back up and listen. I'm listening.
Turn around.
Okay, I turned around.
Birdie.
Birdie? I don't hear the bird. Remember last time we were here there was a bird. Okay, I backed up and I'm looking. I don't see anything. Are you behind us? Okay.
They did a like you're calling the dog.
And you're calling the dog? Oh, so you're calling Happy Dog? Is he nearby? Oh, last time we were here, I did that. I went, come on, boy. Remembering?
Yeah. There was a fence here, Dustin.
Yeah, I can see where it went right there.
Sorry, guys, for shaking.
Are you guys calling Happy Dog? Are you trying to get him to come? So look back and listen behind me and listen for him.
Dog.
Now see, he's known to walk the road. And the spirits told us to turn around and listen. So now we're pointed towards the road. And they're calling Happy Dog.
I'm close.
You're close? Where are you close to?
The woods.
Okay, you're close to the woods?
Yes.
Is your grave here? Or are you standing in the woods?
Kinda.
Kinda. Okay, so I gotta, huh? Ask. Which one is it? Are you standing in the woods or is your grave buried here? I mean, are you buried here? Is one of these stones yours? That's what I'm trying to say.
Grave.
Okay, so your grave is one of these. So you're not standing in the woods, one of these graves is yours.
That's correct.
That's correct. Okay. So I'm going to go over here and read the names. Tell me when I get close to you.
Still buried.
You're still buried. Your body's buried. But obviously your spirit is not. So I'm going to walk down these ones right here in front. When I get close to yours, can you tell me yes or no? Or stop? Can you tell me to stop? Are any of these your graves?
Go up.
Go up this way? Go up this way?
There.
Right here? This is yours? Are you Sarah? Are you still Sarah Cofield? Is that you, Sarah? Or are you here? Is this your grave, Sarah? Thomas? Is it Thomas?
There's Martha. There's
Martha?
Martha Cofield.
Can you give
And
me
Sarah.
which name is yours? Are we talking to Martha? Are we talking to Sarah?
Yes.
Sarah. So it's Sarah we're talking to. Am I correct? Give me a yes if I'm correct.
Yep.
Okay, so Sarah, this is your grave. Okay, Sarah is... I'm trying to see is...
Nope.
Nope.
Wait, look on the side, son.
T...
Bullet.
Bullet? Was someone shot? Was someone shot, Sarah?
Look on this side and see if there's a name on it.
There is a name on that side.
There is. Thomas.
Thomas. Were you shot, Sarah? Sarah, keep talking to me.
What?
Were you shot? What do you mean by bullet?
Behind.
Behind? In memory, sons and daughters of Thomas.
Front steps.
Huh? What'd you say?
Front steps.
Front steps.
5.
5? Wait. She said 5 front steps. That means they're talking about walking up on a porch. Were you shot on a porch while you went up the steps? Or are you talking about a porch to your home? Are you remembering your house? Stand. Where do you want me to stand, sir?
Ten paces.
10 paces in which direction? Right or left? 10 paces. Wait, this doesn't sound like a draw. 10 paces.
Yeah. And she said bullet
She said bullet.
and 5.
5 steps.
And then 10 paces.
And shot.
So somebody was shot.
Okay, 10 paces.
Evil.
Mock evil. What did you say?
Something evil.
What's evil, Sarah? Did someone die in a duel? Is that what you're describing, Sarah? Can I get a yes or no?
Could be the whole family.
Well, I was gonna walk the 10 paces, but I don't know which direction to go in. Alright, so I'm getting a duel. She was talking about a duel. So Sarah is the one we narrowed it down to.
Okay. I'm taking this off. There's one coming through that's just, I've never heard the voice before, and it's just weird. And it's done. Lisa.
What was that last thing you said? Something about evil.
Dog evil.
Oh, Happy Dog is evil? Alright, can we talk to Sarah again? Sarah,
You have me.
Sarah, were you describing a duel? You said something about 10 paces?
It wasn't a woman's voice that said 10 paces. That was
10
me.
paces. So the man was in the duel, but Sarah was...
Well, there's men's names on
You
it.
gotta think, it's not just one spirit that comes through this. It's multiple.
Was it a man's voice that said my name?
Yes. Like I said, now there's this name coming through that's going, like, super creepy.
Are you trying to intimidate Lisa?
I mean, they're not intimidating me, it's just creepy.
Are you trying to creep Lisa out?
Like, there was stuff that I was hearing that I wanted to ask more questions to,
But that thing was like... That way it was like dead on. Like you were answering everything we said. Right on, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Everything we said, right on target.
yeah. But there was stuff that was coming through that I wanted to ask more questions about, but I couldn't because we were in the middle of doing that.
Yeah. Well, you're welcome to ask your questions now.
Let's get out.
Who was the man that's coming through that's whispering, kind of? Come. Where do you want us to come?
All right, I'll get My hands are freezing.
I know.
And that's why I'm not very steady with the camera, so.
Alright, if y'all aren't gonna talk, we're gonna end the session.
Do you want to continue talking to us? Can y'all call the ghost dog again? Can you call it?
I swear it went.
They were trying to get his attention. But see, they said turn around, and we were facing the road. And that's when they started calling the dog.
Dang. But no, since I took the headphones off, I'm not getting like the same response as I was with the headphones on. It's like they know.
Yeah, they know. Oh, they clearly know. They saw you put them on.
Well, now they can hear themselves louder too.
Can you hear yourselves?
Yes.
Yes, you can hear yourselves. Are you curious how you're able to do that? What that device is? Weird stuff? I heard weird stuff. Yeah, it is probably weird to you guys.
I'm gonna end this.
Alright.
Thank you for speaking with us.
Now you can still speak with us even though this...
Yes. You can speak through the device he's holding and we'll still be able to hear you. But thank you for speaking to us through this device.
Yes, don't go anywhere. Stay with us and talk to us.
They're saying bye and see you later and stuff.
No, we're staying here. You can still talk to us, just not through the box.
If you speak to what Dustin is holding, we can hear you when we watch the video back.
Beings. Alright. Well, thank you for talking to us. Alright, so
What's the input?
I wish Happy Dog would come out. Come on, Happy Dog. Show yourself.
Maybe there's certain times that he's more apt to be seen.
I could have sworn I was standing in fire ants too. It felt like something was like, you know how the fire ants fight and sting you or whatever.
Check your leg.
No, I checked my shoes. There's nothing on there.
Did you feel them on your leg?
Yeah.
Check your leg.
No.
Check your leg. Let's see if... So,
I mean, there's nothing there.
just wanted to make sure you didn't get scratched.
There must be a whole family right here in there.
I mean, the gate's over there. I just don't feel like going in there. Douglas's, yeah. They're all Douglas's. George Douglas, James. Yeah, this is the Douglas plot. Alright, well, y'all wanted us to come back for round 2. We did.
We picked the coldest night.
We did, however, figure out that was a branch that we saw over there that we said that was you viewers, family members spotted. Even though it looks a lot like a spirit, I just think it is branches. But we're gonna wrap it up. It's cold out here. Anyways, the whole mom. We appreciate you watching. We love you. And we'll see you on the next one. Bye, y'all.